What if I told you you could earn hundreds, maybe even thousands outside your 9 to 5 without quitting your job, and all within just 30 days? I decided to test it myself. No shortcuts, no sponsors, no guru advice, just raw hustle. I signed up for 5 different side hustles and worked them for 30 days straight. Some days were thrilling, others made me question my sanity, but the results, they surprised me. And one side hustle earned me over $1,000 in under 2 weeks. Stick around, because I'm breaking down what worked, what flopped, and how you can start stacking extra cash today. Text on screen. I tried 5 side hustles for 30 days. Here's how much I made. Side hustle. 1. Food delivery. Uber Eats, DoorDash. Let's kick it off with the most common gig out there. Food delivery. I clocked in about 3 to 4 hours daily, evenings mostly. Gas, tips, hit or miss, annoying GPS voice. Seriously, if I hear recalculating route one more time, I might lose it. Results after 30 days. Total hours, 55. Total earned, $860. Effective hourly rate, $15.60. Verdict, not bad, if you're consistent, but it can burn you out fast. But hustle number 2, I made money in my sleep. Side hustle 2, print on demand t-shirts. This one felt like magic. Design a shirt, upload, profit. I used Canva plus a free Printify account. No paid ads. Just posted on TikTok and Instagram. And yes, one of my shirts literally said, "I paused my game for this." It sold 4 times. Results after 30 days. Time spent, approximately 15 hours. Sales, $425. Profit after fees, $215. Verdict, passive-ish income is real, but don't expect it to explode overnight. But wait until you see hustle number 3. It made me rethink what I'm actually worth per hour. Side hustle 3, freelancing on Fiverr. I offered what I knew, copywriting and resume reviews. Simple stuff. At first, crickets. But after optimizing my gig title and adding a 30-second video, boom, orders started rolling in. Some clients were amazing. Others, let's just say I now know what it's like to be ghosted after 7 revisions. Results after 30 days. Total clients, 11. Total earned, $960. Hours spent, approximately 26. Hourly rate, approximately $36. Verdict, freelancing pays if you niche down and over-deliver. Bridge to next hustle. But let's flip the script. What if you don't have a skill to sell yet? That's where hustle number 4 comes in. Side hustle. 4, flipping items on Facebook Marketplace. I spent weekends cruising garage sales and thrift stores, picked up undervalued stuff and listed it online. Best flip? A $15 coffee table, sold for $120. Worst flip? Used air fryer. Buyer flaked. I ended up keeping it. At least I eat better now. Results after 30 days. Items flipped, 12. Net profit, $510. Hours invested, 20. Verdict, great ROI, but you need space, transportation, and a solid nose for deals. And finally, the one hustle that had the lowest effort and the highest earnings. Side hustle 5, user testing and survey sites. Yep, I tried those get paid to test apps, sites. Most were junk. But one platform paid $60 for a 20-minute Zoom call where I just talked about my grocery habits. Not kidding. Results after 30 days. User testing earnings, $540. Survey junkie earnings, $90. Total, $630. Hours spent, 14. Verdict, easy, mindless, but hit and miss. Great if you're watching Netflix and want to multitask. Let's total it up. Combined earnings in 30 days, $3,175. Time invested, approximately 130 hours average hourly rate, approximately $24.40. But here's the truth, most YouTubers won't tell you. It's not about finding the best side hustle. It's about choosing one that fits your energy, your schedule, and your skills, then doubling down. Because in your 20s, your real asset isn't money, it's time. And how you use it today determines the lifestyle you live tomorrow. Now you know what worked, what didn't, and how much I really made trying 5 different side hustles. But the real question is, what will you do with this information? If you're serious about changing your finances, don't stop here. Watch this next. How I saved $10,000 in 6 months on a $2,000 per month income. It breaks down the exact steps to turn that side hustle income into real wealth. Subscribe for more no-fluff personal finance content. And remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start smart.